Hi friends, for your group project you are going to be creating a book about adding. So each of you are assigned one book, and there's 3 friends in each group. You will each add 1 page to your story. So we have adding at the park, adding in the ocean, and adding emojis. I'm going to show you today how to add a page to your story with my example, adding at the garden. So you're going to click on the story that you're assigned to. I will do adding at the garden. And this blue pencil will let you edit it. So you're going to go to the next blank page available because your friends may have already put their story up, their page. So I see someone may have started to work on their page, so I'm going to go to the next one, which is white and blank. So this is the one that I'm going to do. So first I'm going to add a background. So you press the plus sign and you go to the pen. The bucket will let you fill the back of the page. I'm going to choose a light green for the grass since I'm doing gardens. And then this right here is a bunch of stickers that you can choose from. So since I'm doing a garden, I'm going to go to the category Animals and Nature. And I'm going to find something that I might see at the garden. I'm going to use this pretty red rose. So I'm going to create my picture. I think for my story on this page, I'm going to talk about roses. So maybe I will say, I saw 2 red roses under the tree. I saw 2 more red roses by the yellow flower. How many red roses are there all together? So I'm going to put 1, 2, find another red rose. And I said that they were going to be by a tree. So I'm going to have to add a tree to my picture because that's what my story says. I'm going to go back to Animals and Nature, and I think that I saw a tree. So there are my 2 red flowers by the tree. And then I said I saw 2 more red flowers by the bush. So let's see if we can find a bush. I don't see one, so we can create one using the paintbrush. I'm going to change the color by clicking on the color picker. And I'm going to make it dark green, that way you'll be able to see it. And I'm going to draw a bush back here. And it can be any way you want it. So you can use the drawing tool, you could add stickers. And I said I saw 2 more roses by the bush. So I can add or draw 2 more. But I'm going to add them so they look the same as the other ones. So I'm going to go back to Animals and Nature. Go down to my red rose and add 2 more by the bush. They could be smaller. Maybe they're on the bush. A rose bush. And add 1 more. Now I have to create my text for the page. So I'm going to go to Done, and then add at the top again. We're going to do text. So I'm going to say, I saw 2 red roses by the tree. 2 more roses are on the bush. And instead of asking a question, I'm actually going to write the sentence. So how many roses did I have all together? I had 4 because I added 2 roses by the tree and 2 by the bush. So I'm going to say I saw 4 red roses at the park, at the garden, all together. Period. And I'm going to press Done. Move this to the top. And then you're going to add one more text with your name at the bottom. So I'm going to write Miss Santoni. And I'm going to move that to the bottom of my page. Then I can press play. And here is my page, and it can read it to me.
I saw 2 red roses by the tree.
2 more roses are on the bush. I saw 4 red roses at the garden altogether.
Miss Santoni,
By Miss Santoni.
you've reached the end of the book. Read again. Made with Book Creator.
And that is how you create your page. And you could add as much details as you would like. So you could add maybe a sun, some dirt, anything that you would like. And it's your job to create one page of your story. So if a friend already uses roses, you might want to try to find a different flower or a different plant that you might see in a garden. Remember to comment on our discussion board post with any extra questions. Thank you, everybody. I hope you have a great time creating your book together. I'm excited to see what they look like.